give you an example of a client I had out in Jenkintown, Pennsylvania. This was a number of years ago. I'm not going to talk about what the name of the agency was, but this was many, many years ago. And you know, this person used to keep amazing notes when they were going through and putting in the stuff into their CRM. They were doing all the visits. They were going beyond it. They consistently went back all of these every week after week to these places, but it's the communication was bad. They were showing up to one particular place like 3 times a week, and we were trying to figure out why. So one day I went out there to do a site visit with my client, and we went out with the owner, and we went to the facility. And we came out and we saw when the salesperson went in, and we saw when she came out. And when she left, we went in and we asked, like, "Hey, listen, we're just trying to figure out what's your impression of our salesperson and this and the other." And the reality hit us like a truck. This person was doing a lot of visits, but they forgot the one key rule. You got to be persistent without being obnoxious. And she crossed over into being obnoxious. The social worker was literally hiding from this salesperson. So it's not so much about the number of visits, it's about the quality. All right. And what we want to do is understand that again, it's not just about showing up a lot, it's about showing up right.